Let's fly with the nature's little flyers. Hi dear little explorers. Today we are going on a flying adventure to meet some amazing creatures. Are you ready? So let's go. First up, we have the beautiful butterflies. Look at those colorful wings. Buzz, buzz, here comes the busy bee. They do a happy dance when they find the flowers. And this is a sweet ladybug. Their bright red color makes them easy to spot. Squawk, squawk, meet the chatty parrot. They can even copy what you say. What a smart bird. Meet the speeding hummingbirds. They love sipping nectar from the flowers. Here's the wise owl. Owls fly silently at night, using their big eyes to see in the dark. Thanks for flying with us. See you on the next adventure.